Hi, welcome. In my previous video, we have seen how easily we can multiply one digit and two digit numbers. We have also seen how to multiply a two digit and a three digit number. So we are making use of base 10 and 100 to do this. So today, when we are going for three digits, we will be using 1000 as our base. This will be true for 4-digit multiplication also if those digits or numbers are near to 1000. So let us take today's first example. How we will multiply 998 with 997. So if you have not seen my previous video, I suggest you to watch that video before watching this so that you will know the method thoroughly. So 998 is 2 less from 1000 and 997 is 3 less from 1000. So next what I do? I add diagonally either 998 and 3 or 997 and 2. So both yields me same result 995. So next I multiply these two digits. So minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 yields me 6. But I don't write 6 here directly because I am comparing this number with the base 1000. So I expect here 1, 2, 3 digits. But here when I multiply these two remaining numbers, I just got 6. So to fill these places, I add zeros. So my answer will be 995006. So this example was chosen to make you clear that you have to add 3 digits here after the addition of these diagonal values. Now let us take an example where my 3 digits are not very near to thousands. So second example is 976 multiplied by 982. So 976 is 24 less from 1000. 982 is 18 less from 1000, considering 1000 as my base reference. So I have to add diagonally any one of these, either 982 24 or 976 18. So 976 plus minus 18 will give me 958. Now I am expecting 3 more digits on right hand side of this 958. Now how to find that? For that I have to multiply minus 24 and minus 18. Now for this I'll use the same trick. I'll multiply 24 and 18 with base as 10. So this is plus 14 and this is plus 8. So first what I have to do is I have to diagonally add these two. So I get 32. Now I have to multiply 14 and 8. So for this again I will make use of base method. I have to multiply 14 and 8. So this is plus 4 from 10. This is minus 2 from 10. Then I diagonally add this. So I get 12. Then I multiply 4 and 2. I get minus 8. So in my previous video, we have already discussed what if you get product minus 8. I have to reduce 1 from this. Then I have to reduce this number from the reference base. So here reference base is 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So my number is 112. So 14 multiplied by 8 will give me 112. But see here, for this multiplication, I have used base as 10. So I expect here only one more digit. But what I have here is 3 digits. So this was also explained in the previous video. So I expect here only one digit. So what I do, I can add only one digit 2. So remaining I have add with this 32. So 112 will be added with 32. So I get 2, 3, 4. So 432. So 24 multiplied by 18 is 432. So that's what I need. So I was trying to multiply this 24 and 18. So I get 432. See, 3 digits I get here. So I can directly write it. So my answer is 958,432. So if I multiply 976 with 982, I'll get 9,58,432. Next, let us see an example of a 4 digit and 3 digit. So let us take a number 1006. 1006 is multiplied by 992. So this is greater than 1000, this is less than 1000. So this is 4 digits, this is 3 digit, but my base remains 1000. So this is 6 more than 1000. This is 8 less than 1000. So diagonally I add these two, I get 998. And here I have 6 multiplied by 8. So you can use 10 base method, but I'm going to write it directly here. Minus 48. I get a negative number. So if I get a negative number, what should I do? I should reduce 1 from this, right? I get 997. And I have to reduce this from my base. So it will be very careful. Don't make mistake here. Don't reduce this number from 100. Here my base is, reference base is 1000. So I have to reduce 48 from 1000. So if I reduce 48 from 1000, I end up with 952. So my answer for 1006 multiplied by 992 is 997,952. That is 9,97,952. Okay, so let me take one more example where we have two 4-digit multiplication. Both the numbers are greater than 1000. So what if I multiply 1004 with 1006? Okay, 1004 multiplied by 1006. This is 4 more. This is 6 more. So diagonally add these two. So you get 1004 plus 6, 1010. Then you get 6 multiplied by 4 as 24. I get only 2 digits here. But what I expect? My base is 1000. So I expect here 3 digits. So what should I do now? I should add a 0 here. So 0, 2, 4. So my result is 1010024. Now you will have a doubt in your mind. What if these numbers are very far from 1000? Right? In case of 3 digits, you can have some number like 552 multiplied by 786, right? So I'll explain this in my next video series. So keep watching. If you like the method, like the video, subscribe, click the bell button so that the moment I explain 552 into 786, you will be notified. Thank you for watching.